Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT P80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool which looks similar to this. Will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, but before you can do that, we do need to take off the cover off of the device. And as you can see, the tray is located above the volume rockers on the left side of the phone. Once you push the pin in, the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to grab it and yoink it out. Now on the tray, you have space for either two SIM cards, so if you're planning to use dual SIM card, you would place one of the SIM cards on the SD tray, but sideways. I'm planning to use one of each, so I'm going to move it over and place the card in its place. Oh, I'm trying to put it in the wrong way. There we go. So from here, insert the tray back into your device carefully because there's nothing holding these cards in place. There we go. And both of the cards should start working right away. As you can see, the SIM card is already working as it's telling me to put in my SIM card pin. Come on. What seems to be the problem? I'm gonna try that again. It looks like the device just decided to have a stroke. Okay, for some reason doesn't want to unlock the SIM card. I'm pretty sure I'm putting the correct pin in, but who knows, maybe I'm not. But it looks like there's something buggy happening here, as you can see. This is, what is this supposed to be, lock screen? Oh, it's a home screen without the apps. So anyway, it should typically work. Maybe there's an update, but in any case, this is how you would insert your SIM card and SD card. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.